really getting that sound. Rafale by Dassault Aviation. Captain Tao Benoit coming in. From your right on a show that's going to be a very tight show, highlighting the maneuverability and speed of the Rafale. Lining up for is going to demonstrate a high maneuverability of the Rafale. Coming into show center and with 4 quick turns and twists, he will perform the square dance. Climb rate of 1,000 feet a second. To put this in context, basically 1 kilometer in just slightly over 3 seconds. The inverted pass with negative 14. Multi-role for new missions. As you ground to 40,000 feet in less than 2 minutes. Captain Tao now bringing in the Rafale in for a slow pass before he plunges it up into the sky. You're observing more or less the minimum speed, maximum speed, 2,130 kilometers an hour, 1.8. But he takes on a new role after he's done here. So this is his last show. Come up with this is a fly-by-wire beauty. This is the show of force. A final combination by Captain Tao. High energy and tight. He's going to be coming back straight at the audience. Ladies and gentlemen, next up the Republic of Singapore Air Force, and on the microphone here is Garrison, call sign Scouser.